matulog or humiga na nakatihaya, kumuha ka ng unan at ilagay mo ito sa ilalim ng iyong tuhod. In this position po, you can expect that you will more likely sleep better because it will reduce sciatica symptoms. Sa ating mga kababayan na hindi sanay na matulog na nakatihaya, this is one possible option for you. What you're going to do po is humiga on your side. It doesn't matter if you face the right or the left. It depends kung ano po ang convenient at kung ano ang mas comfortable para sa iyo. Then kumuha ka ng unan at ilagay mo din ito in between sa dalawang mong tuhod. In this position po, it is less likely for you to experience sciatica symptoms. Tandaan mo din that you also need to change your position. In some days, you're facing your right at some days naman you're facing your left or sa kaliwa. Para maiwasan din natin ang shoulder pain, especially po if medyo may excess body weight tayo.